In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and remove page borders in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. Page borders are a simple but powerful way to enhance the appearance of your document. Whether you are designing a certificate, creating a formal letter, preparing a project cover page, or adding a decorative touch to a flyer, page borders can give your document a clean and professional finish. The good news is that adding and removing them in Microsoft Word is quick and straightforward. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once it is open, go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. On some versions of Word for Mac, you may find the option under the Layout tab, but the process remains the same. Look for the Page Background section and click on Page Borders. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box. Inside this window, make sure you are on the Page Border tab. You will see several setting options including Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. Select Box if you want a simple border around the entire page. Then choose the style of the line, such as solid, dotted, or double. You can also adjust the color and width to match your document's theme or design. As you make changes, you will see a preview on the right side of the window, which helps you visualize how the border will look. If you want the border to appear on specific pages only, click on the Apply To drop-down menu. You can choose to apply it to the whole document, the current section, or just the first page. This is especially useful if you only want a decorative border on a cover page. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click OK. The page border will now appear in your document. If you later decide to remove the border, simply return to the Design tab and click Page Borders again. In the Borders and Shading window, select None under the Settings section, then click OK. The border will be removed immediately. By understanding how to add and remove page borders, you gain more control over your document's layout and presentation. It's a small detail that can make a big visual impact. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.